So we'll be starting here. This is the former Speaker of Enugu State, Edward Mposi. So I'll show you his house right now, and then while we are going to the estate, I'll still show you the hotel that he's doing. Okay. So this is his compound, and he's building a hotel close to this property, this 4-bedroom, fully detached bungalow in Harmony Estate. So as we drive now, I'll show you his hotel. So we are driving down to Harmony Estate. So I'll show you a clinic down here that is 2 minutes to the house. So this is a Goodwill Medical Center, and from here, this is a third road, then that place is the estate. So let's drive there. So this is the third road I was telling you about. So we will turn now and head to this direction. So this is the hospital. So there is a hotel they are doing here. So this is the entrance of the estate. You can see this village there. So this is the entrance. Like you can see, it's a third road. So this is the hotel I was talking about that he's building here. He's building this thing every day. So let's go to the bungalow. So here you have your neighbors. A very cool environment with top-notch security. So this is the school I was telling you about. This is the school, fully functioning school. Then this is the house. This is the house. So let me drive inside the school so you see it. It's a fully functioning school. Yeah. So I forgot to mention so you see, this is the house.